Welcome to this latest video, which is part C of our archiving and purging offering. Effective archiving and deletion of PPM data is a common requirement, whether it's for regulatory or policy reasons, you need to shrink the PPM database, or for data migration purposes. Nevertheless, before we announce this offering, PPM customers did not have an effective solution. So our offering sits on top of the XL interface, or XLI for short, a widely popular PPM add-on deployed worldwide. In parts A and B of our video series available on our website, we covered the archiving and purging capabilities in detail. Today, we're going to go ahead and demonstrate a new capability, which essentially automates the entire process, thus making it much faster and more accurate. But before we talk about this new capability, let's take a quick step back and briefly describe what the XLI and the archiving and purging offering are all about. So the tagline for this solution is flexibility of Excel with the governance of PPM. So the XLI is an alternative Excel-based UI as opposed to the browser-based UI of PPM. It provides for a faster and more accurate data management experience. It also possesses some unique PPM transaction shortcuts and special control features. And most importantly, all key PPM user transactions are covered. Now let's talk about the data archiving capabilities that sit on top of the XLI. So this is the first all-encompassing PPM data archiving solution. It essentially covers all PPM object types. It's highly flexible. You can select which data elements you'd like to have archived, and that includes attachments, and everything gets archived together in user-friendly Excel tables. Highly configurable, so you can add custom filters, specify data formatting, and which elements to archive. And everything is audited in a detailed audit log for all the archiving operations. Now I'll describe the purge capabilities. So again, this covers all PPM object types. It also includes the option to perform a 100% complete purge of desired objects. So this includes reference objects, reference timesheet lines, resources, financials, and documents. So if you had a project, everything that was referenced with that project, including issues, risks, timesheet lines, documents, they can all get purged all at once. Note that does not require any PPM downtime, separate hardware, or DBA involvement. And once again, a detailed audit log is provided as well after all the purge operations are completed. So now let's talk about the latest capability. So now we can fully automate the whole entire archiving and purging process. Since the archiving and purging process is usually multi-step, repeating, and quite data sensitive, the entire process has now been automated. So now within a few clicks, the XI can now perform the following: extract all the textual data, download all the documents, and create a complete set of all-inclusive archive, and lastly purge the data. And of course, everything is completely logged every step of the way. Let's go ahead and see this in action. So the first thing we'll do is go over and jump over to PPM, show the state of the data and what we're working with. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly archive and purge these 4 old requests for the purposes of this demo. So we kept it at a low number. This utility is usually meant to archive and purge a very large number of requests. So here we are working with our 4 different requests. They're quite old. They were created in 2010. Let's go over and jump over to the XLI. So first thing I need to do is actually authenticate with my PPM credentials. They're already pre-filled. And if I had single sign-on enabled, I would actually skip this screen. Once I've authenticated, the XLI exposes all the tabs that I can work with. So first thing we do is just jump over to a user calculations tab, just for kind of a blank space, but we're actually going to go ahead and jump over to the request tab. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually click on the magnifying glass icon to search for which requests that I need to work with, in this case archive and purge automatically. So I'll work with project issue, and I'm going to work with the old ones. So here are the 4 different requests that I just previously showed in PPM. I'm going to click select all. I'm going to click this new button called auto mode. Hit go. And what you'll notice here in the lower left corner is our status. So here's what the XLI is doing. It's actually going ahead and downloading the entire request data, and this includes fields, notes, and workflow transactions into a wide Excel data table. And let's go ahead. After that, it's going to extract the associated documents and download them to my designated location. Create links from the Excel data table to these documents. And once that's done, my archive is complete. So the XLI copies the data table to a plain Excel file, which is specified here. So everything completed. And it actually gives you the name of the archive Excel file. So it's actually on my desktop. So once it's actually completed, the complete archive, lastly, it's going to perform a complete purge of these requests. That includes their documents, timesheets, and reference to objects. All right, so let's go take a look at PPM, make sure it actually purged. I'll click on refresh. And now you notice that all these requests were deleted. Now let's go over to the desktop. So here is the archiving file it just created. Let's take a look inside of it. So here's all our request table and all the fields. These are the issue information. And here we have actual links to the downloaded attachments. So let's look at where the attachments are stored. They're brought here into this separate folder, and that Excel file has links to all the attachments here. So let's go ahead and quickly summarize. So you saw in just a few clicks, I performed a complete archive and purge of requests without any need for PPM downtime, involvement by specialized resources like DBAs or system administrators. And furthermore, since data archiving and purging is a sensitive process, this new approach significantly reduces the risk of costly errors. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting and useful. The XLI has been used for over a decade by some of the top customers in Europe, Australia, as an alternative PPM UI for enhancing productivity and data quality. And now with this offering, the product has expanded its value to PPM organizations. Whether you're one of our existing XLI customers or not a customer yet, whether you're a small or large organization, please feel free to contact us at info@ppmetrics.com or learn more about us at ppmetrics.com. Thank you.